Having more subscribers is not guaranteed to make you more money on YouTube. In fact, many small YouTube channels actually out-earn larger channels because they understand a revenue strategy that most creators never learn. This is the exact strategy that allowed us to 10x our YouTube revenue without relying on sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or having to generate hundreds of millions of views. But first, before we dive into this secret revenue strategy, we first need to understand how YouTube pays creators. To keep it super simple, when you upload a YouTube video and people watch it, advertisers pay YouTube to show ads to those viewers. YouTube keeps a portion of that advertising revenue and then pays the creator the rest. This is called AdSense. Now, it's important to understand that YouTube does not pay a fixed amount per view. Instead, payouts are measured using a metric called RPM, which stands for revenue per mil. This is how much money YouTube pays you per 1,000 views that you generate. This number can fluctuate a lot and is largely determined by the category or niche that your channel is about. For example, a YouTube channel about investing money will typically have a much higher RPM than a channel about celebrity gossip. The reason is because somebody watching a video about investing is a lot more likely to spend money on expensive products and services than someone watching a video about celebrity gossip. So advertisers will pay more to get their products and services in front of viewers that are more likely to buy those things. Now, I know not everybody watching this video is a financial advisor or wants to start an investing channel, which means your RPM might not be super high. And that's totally fine. But it does lead us to the first problem. To make money from YouTube AdSense, you need to generate a lot of views every single month. Let's say we wanted to make $5,000 per month and our average RPM was $3. To do that, we would need to generate roughly 1.6 million views every single month. Now, is that impossible? Absolutely not, but it is a ton of work. To give you some perspective, our channel generates around 1 million views per month, and we're still not making $5,000 per month in AdSense. Getting to 1 million views per month is no joke. It requires a lot of attention, like research, writing scripts, designing thumbnails, filming, editing videos. I personally put in about 60 hours per week into this process. So if we want to make more money with AdSense, we really need to generate more views, which means more videos, more editors, more staff, more time, and more expenses. So while the revenue can go up, our cost often goes up as well, which eats into that profit. So to summarize, can this revenue strategy work? Yes, it absolutely can, but personally, I would not recommend this approach to 99.9% of content creators. Now, you might be thinking there are other ways to monetize a YouTube channel besides AdSense, and you're absolutely right. You could do sponsorships where companies reach out to you and pay you directly to feature their product in your videos. Or you could do affiliate marketing where you make a video about something like a camera and put a special affiliate link to that product in the description of your video. Then if somebody watches your video, clicks the link, and then buys the product, you earn a commission from that sale, which is a great way to get paid. The only problem is that both sponsorships and affiliate marketing still tend to rely heavily on getting views. With sponsorships, companies want to see that you're consistently generating views before they're willing to pay you. If not, you'll most likely end up getting a lot of free products in exchange for videos, and while that's cool, free products don't pay the bills. The same thing happens with affiliate marketing. Because the commission is often pretty small, you need a lot of people to buy through your link for it to generate some decent revenue. In many cases, you're only earning about 1 to 10% of the sale price. Now, I don't want to sound like a doomer when it comes to sponsorships, AdSense, and affiliate marketing. These absolutely can make your channel money, but I don't think they should be the main source of monetization, especially if you're thinking about making YouTube a long-term pursuit. Instead, I recommend creating your own digital product and selling it through your channel. The reason we love this model so much is because you own the product. product. That means if a video does super well on your channel, you get to keep much more of the upside instead of just earning a small commission from someone else's product or just getting paid on the views that you generate. For example, we posted this video on March 11th, 2022. Now, keep in mind, at the time, we were a very small channel. We didn't have a ton of subscribers, and for the first 196 days of that video, it only got about 30,000 views. Then, almost out of nowhere, the algorithm started pushing the video, and the video started taking off. Fast forward to today, and that video has generated over $11,000 in AdSense revenue, which is absolutely amazing. But because at the end of the video, we simply mentioned that viewers could check out our 14-day filmmaker course, that same video went on to generate $285,000 in sales. That's over 23 times more revenue than we made from AdSense, which is absolutely insane. If we did not have a digital product to sell, we would have missed out on $250,000. One of our students made over $4,000 in less than 48 hours from a single YouTube video. This student, who is just getting started with YouTube, has already generated $900 in sales directly from people who found her on YouTube. Pretty freaking awesome. Now, there are lots of digital products that you can sell, but some of my favorites are courses, communities, coaching programs, ebooks, and templates. These can all be created once and then sold over and over again without needing inventory, shipping, or a huge team. And because it's digital, you can sell it to people all over the world. You could sell something to someone in the United States just as easily as you could sell it to someone in Australia. Now, your potential customer base becomes the entire internet. In other words, you're now tapping into an 8 billion person economy. If someone has an internet connection and a credit card, they can become a customer. Ollie, who is one of our students, has a very small following, but was able to generate over 300 sales from a single video. He was able to do all of that without any expensive gear. He simply shares the screen and uses a basic camera setup to record himself. For example, let's say you run a cooking channel that teaches people how to make healthy, high-protein meals. And let's say you make a video called 10 high-protein meals that you can make under 10 minutes. In the video, you show people what meals to make, how to make them, and what ingredients they need. Then at the end of the video, you can use a call to action and say, if you love the recipes in this video and you want more like this, I put together a cookbook that includes 50 easy to make high protein recipes that you can make in less than 30 minutes. You can find it in the description below. Now you have people who are highly interested in your cookbook because they just spent the last 10 minutes watching you teach them how to make high protein meals, and your cookbook shows them how to make even more recipes. The product should feel like a natural extension of the content that they were already interested in. So now they might click the link in the description and buy your cookbook. If you sell that cookbook for $50, you only need 100 people to buy it to make $5,000. Compare that to needing 1.6 million views every single month from YouTube AdSense. Over the lifetime of our channel, we've generated 27 million views, which has produced roughly $170,000 in AdSense revenue. Now compare that to the digital product sales that we've generated from those same YouTube videos, which has produced roughly $1.3 million in sales. Which is why I believe every creator should definitely sell a digital product if they have a YouTube channel. Now, I think one of the biggest things that people get hung up on when it comes to digital products is not feeling qualified to teach, or if they have a small channel, thinking that nobody's gonna buy from them because they're a small channel. But the truth is, people will buy from you because they're buying from you. You do not need millions of views on the content, you just need content that builds trust loss with the viewer. We actually crunched the numbers on our channel and found that about every 300 to 400 views equals 1 sale, which is totally achievable even if you're a complete beginner. And most importantly, you absolutely do not need to be the world's leading expert to create a digital product. You just need to be a few steps ahead of the person that you're helping. If you already solved a problem that someone else is struggling with, you can show them how you did it. If you can help someone save time, avoid mistakes, or get a result faster than they could have on their own, that is extremely valuable. And probably my favorite part about selling digital products on YouTube is that it is very passive. Each video that you make essentially becomes another sales agent working for you 24/7. As long as that video is live on YouTube, it has the potential to get views and generate sales. Take this couple for example, 2 Americans who followed their dream and moved to Switzerland with nothing but a phone. They started creating content, documenting their travels, sharing travel recommendations, and showing people what it was like to explore Switzerland. They didn't get many views on their channel at the start, but they did stay consistent and kept posting videos, and over time their channel started to grow. As they were building their channel, they noticed that a lot of people were asking the same question. If I visit Switzerland, where should I go? So they decided to create a simple PDF guide that mapped out a travel plan for Switzerland. Inside the guide, they shared exactly where to stay, what to do, and the places they recommended visiting. Then, whenever it made sense, they would casually mention the guide in their videos. By making very subtle call to actions in just a few of their YouTube videos, they've gone on to sell over 2,500 copies of this PDF guide, which at $49 is over $122,000 in sales. And like any smart business person, they went on to create even more guides. 500 copies sold, 1,000 copies sold, another 500 copies sold. This is hundreds of thousands of dollars generated by creating content about something they love, answering questions people were curious about, and then selling a digital product that helps solve a problem.
The income we made from the guide sales alone in March was the same amount of money we spent during our entire year traveling Europe. A year of expenses, but then we earned that in 1 month.
Now at this point, you might be thinking, okay, I get it, but what the heck do I sell? I don't know what product to create. I don't know how to sell it. I don't know how to launch it. I don't know how to build a digital product. And those are all totally fair questions that most people get stuck at. The good news is that creating a digital product is actually a lot simpler than you think when you have a roadmap to follow. That's why our team put together a free training that walks you through the entire process step by step. We'll show you how to figure out what to sell, how to create your product, and how to get it live so you can start generating sales. Ashley watched the free training and ended up generating over $1 million in sales using the scaling tactics that we talk about in the free training. She was able to quit her full-time job as an engineer and go all in on her digital product business, which is absolutely awesome. Who knows? After watching this training, you might come up with an idea for a product that you can sell for $500. And in that case, you'd only need 10 customers to hit $5,000 per month. And the best part is, your income potential is not capped. A single video could take off and generate way more sales than you ever thought was possible. YouTube and digital products are one of the best opportunities right now. So if you'd like help figuring out what to sell, how to create it, and how to launch it, definitely check out the free training in the description below. Also, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.